Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a landing page on your website. So currently we have my development site here. So when you create in anything in Drupal, when you create content, you would come up to sort of the content here and what you want to create. So you can create basic pages, blogs, FAQs and so on. On this tutorial we're going to be creating a landing page. So we click on landing page and let's give it a title. So I'm just going to call it test landing page and click save. Okay, this then takes us to our landing page that we've created. We then, now we want to create the content for this landing page, we click on layout. So if we click on layout, we can then add sections and add blocks. The way this layout works and the landing page works is you first create a section and then you create blocks inside that section. So let's just create our first section. So in this first, when we create a section, we can create a single row, twin, triple and four. Okay, so on this case I'm just going to create a full row. So we click on bootstrap one column. Okay, there's some settings here, so we can have it either boxed, full, or edge to edge. I want to go edge to edge, and I don't want any gutters on it. What we can also do is we can change some stylings, so we can change the background colours, the typography, so we can center the text if we want to inside this section. On this occasion, I'm just going to keep everything by its defaults and click add section. Now we have this section. If you want to come back and edit that section, we can click on configure section 1 and we can go back into here, choose any stylings, animations. You can even put in sort of custom classes for your CSS and styling. We're just going to keep that all by default. Now we've created the section, we then create a block. So we add a block inside this section. So here I'm going to add a block. If you've got blocks already on the site, they'll be all down here. You can reuse blocks that are already on the site. So at the moment I've got these custom blocks that I've created. So I've got a call to action block. So I'm going to add that call to action block. Okay, but I don't want to display its title. We don't want to be displaying this to end users, so we untick that and click add block. There you go. So now I've got that call to action block in that section. So if I'm done, I simply click save layout, and there is our new landing page with the layout there. So this is unlimited. You can go back into the layout. So if we wanted to create another section with other blocks, we can come up here and we can go add a section. This time, say I want to do 2 blocks. We click on that. I still want to go edge to edge, gutters. Because now we're adding 2 blocks, we want to tell it how we want them to look on desktops, tablets and mobiles. So on a desktop, I want these 2 blocks to be 50-50. Obviously you can set them so you've got like effectively like a sidebar on the right or a sidebar on the left, but I'm going to choose 50-50. On a tablet, I want it to look the same. On a mobile, I want them to be 100%, so I want one to drop underneath the other. So click 100%. And I'm going to add that section. Now we've added that section, we've got our 2 blocks here, block areas. So we can add a block into here. So I'm going to create a custom block now because I don't want to use any blocks that I've already created. So I want to create a custom block. So I can create different block types, but I'm just going to create a basic block. So once we create a basic block, we can just give it a title. So I'm just going to call it basic block 1. And inside here, I'm going to give some text. So basic block 1. Again, you can put anything in these blocks. You know, it's a text editor, so you can do that. You can upload video, photos, whatever you like inside this block. I'm just going to keep it basic like that. On this occasion, I'm going to display the title. But again, if you don't want to display the title, you only want to display what's in here, then just untick that block, that tick box, and then we click Add Block, and there's our basic block 1 there. So now I want to add another block over here, and I'm going to do the same. Create a custom block, create a block. This occasion, we're going to call it basic block 2. And then again, I want to display the title, so that's what I'm going to do. Again, just give it some text and click Save, Add Block. There you go. So we now got our 2 blocks there and our call to action. You can drag these blocks one above the other and drag them into the different sections. I want to keep it down here where I originally put it. And then we just come back to the top and click Save Layout. Our landing page has now got our basic blocks here and this here. Now, if you wanted these blocks to be a little, have some gutters both sides, which I think will look a bit nicer, we can come back here, we can configure the section, and I want to make it boxed with gutters. Keep all the margins, like the layouts for the desktops and mobiles the same. Click Update, and then it brings them in. Click Save Layout. And there you go. That's what we've got. Now, what if we wanted to have a background on these blocks? What we can do is we can configure the section. So I want colour behind the whole section. Okay, you can style each individual block as well. So you can come back here and configure the block. And again, if you just want a specific colour or style, you can come up to here and choose the background, animations and so on for the individual blocks. In this occasion, I'm going to give a background for the whole section rather than the individual blocks. So I'm going to give it a background blue. I want to text center everything, but I want my text to be white. So we've got white text on a blue background. We click Update. There you go. So then we click Save Layout. We've now got those 2 blocks with the blue background and the white text. And again, this is completely unlimited what you can actually build here. You know, you can come back into the layout, add a new section. We can add 3 columns, 4 columns, so we can add 4 columns here. We add 4 columns. I want that to go edge to edge with no gutters, and I want them to be 25% each on a desktop, same on a tablet, but I want them to be all 100% on a mobile. That's how I want them to look. And we add the section, and again we've got all the blocks here. We can just add our blocks. So let's just add some blocks that we've already created. I'll just put this one, I can't remember what they are now, so we'll just put that in there, take off the title, pop that in there. Picture of me, there you go. We'll do that again. We'll put that Put me in here. We'll just add these 4 blocks quickly. Again, you can create your custom blocks when you're adding your blocks in here. You can create a custom block if you like. I'm just going to add these in just to show you how it will look on the front end. Remove that, add that block. We'll add one more. Come down to here. Again, double display the title. Add block. We've got all our 4 blocks in there now. Then we click Save Layout. So now we've got our 2 blocks here, our call to action, and our 4 blocks along here. So yeah, again, with this layout builder, it's really flexible. You can make pages and different types of layouts on all your different landing pages to however you want to style it, make it look, and content. Okay, I hope that makes sense, guys. And I will catch you in the next tutorial. Take care. Bye.